You've got a job to do, parts to run, orders to fill, and due dates to hit. You've got the equipment, the material, the technology, and skilled craftsmen operating your machines. And you've got customers, real people, expecting you to deliver on your promises. And you intend to deliver, whatever it takes. But what you need most is information. And you need it in real time. Because looking back isn't always the best route forward when changes on the floor are happening right now. What you need is control. And control doesn't have to be complicated. We realize every shop is different in what they do and what they need in a software, which is why we offer 2 world-class ERP options, the E2 Shop and E2 Manufacturing. Whether you're a job shop, a make-to-order manufacturer, or a repetitive manufacturer, we have a solution for you.
We are ShopTech.
And since 1984, we've been the leader in shop manufacturing software.
But more than that, we love manufacturing.
When you think of software developers, you may picture a bunch of engineers sitting around a computer talking code.
But what if we told you ShopTech was born on the shop floor and we were raised in a job shop?
Or that we love innovation and technology.
We live and breathe manufacturing.
And we speak your language.
From quote to cash and everything in between.
We deliver tailored software solutions to streamline all the information you need.
When you need it.
Take away the guesswork for fast and accurate quoting.
With integrated purchasing to manage your material effectively.
Eliminate bottlenecks and never miss a due date again with our scheduling module.
And increase profitability with real-time E2 data collection.
Quality and control reduces reworks and returns.
See your job costing and job tracking like never before.
And ship on time, every time.
Completely integrated accounting with everything in one system.
And we don't just drop our software in your lap.
We have a dedicated implementation team to make the transition quick and easy.
Because we make it our business to understand yours.
We provide tailored solutions because what works for one shop might not be the best fit for you.
Because we believe that when we succeed, you succeed.
Which is why all of our customers have a voice in how we enhance our software for the future.
We're taking your shop to the next level.
With over 8,000 customers, 250 employees, and numerous offices across North America, ShopTech provides the most comprehensive information platforms to effectively manage your shop floor and increase profitability with E2 Shop and E2 Manufacturing. ShopTech, we put control back in your hands, where it belongs. Learn more about our software solutions at shoptech.com.